Culture is our way to life. Our culture measures our quality of life, our vitality, and the health of our society. The culture of India refers collectively to the thousands of distinct and unique culture of all religions and communities present in India. Here I show you 16 fascinating Indian culture, traditions, and customs. Greeting the Namaste is one of the most popular Indian customs and restricted to the Indian territory anymore. You have Barack Obama, who has been seen doing it on various occasions. India also sees a large number of festivals, mainly because of the prevalence of diverse religions and groups. The Muslims celebrate Eid, the Christians have Christmas, and the Sikhs have Baisakhi. The Hindus have Diwali, Holi. The Buddhists celebrate the Buddha's birthday on Buddha Purnima. And quite honestly, the number is endless. In India, there exists the concept of a joint family, wherein the entire family, parents, wife, children, and in some cases, relatives all live together. Fast or Vrat or Upavas are an integral part of Hindu culture. The concept of arranged marriage in India traces its origin to as early as the Vedic times, and it remains a favorite among Indians and is an integral part of Indian traditions. The Indian traditions and scriptures contain various signs and symbols, which have multiple meanings. Like the swastika signify for Vedas or four primary aims of human pursuit. In India, the signify Atithi Devo Bhava is also integral. It means the guest is equivalent to God. Indian women are often seen sporting saris. The sari is a single cloth and need no stitching. It is easy to make and comfortable to wear. Indian food has a significant reputation for its extensive use of spices and herbs. Almost every region is known for a signature dish or ingredient. The staple, however, throughout the nation consists mostly of rice, white, and Bengal gram. While vegetarian food is an integral part of Gujarati, South Indian, and Rajasthani cuisines, non-vegetarian dishes from Bengali, North Indian, and Punjabi. Kashmir have also been influenced by foreign cooking styles from Asia, Persia, Afghanistan. India is a land of unity of diversity, and our dance are no different. Different forms of dance find origin from different parts of the country. Bharatanatyam from Tamil Nadu, Kathakali from Kerala, Kathak from Northwest and Central India, Mohiniyattam from Kerala, Kuchipudi from Andhra Pradesh, Odissi from Odisha, Manipuri from Manipur, Satriya from Assam. They are a way of representing their particular culture from which they originated. India is a socially, culturally, and linguistically very diverse. Hindi and English are widely spoken and recognized from official purpose. There are 22 scheduled languages recognized by the Constitution of India. However, more than 400 languages and dialects in India are still not known. Indian literature can be traced back in the great epics written in the form of poems, plays, stories, and even self-help guides. The most famous epics are Ramayana and Mahabharata by Vedavyas is the longest poem written in Sanskrit. Both the epics are written in order to highlight human values of sacrifice, loyalty, devotion, and truth. The moral of both stories signify the triumph of good over evil. 8 different forms of martial arts in India. Martial arts is a part of India's ancient culture and a traditional games. Kalipattu is a martial art designed for the ancient battlefield with weapons and combative techniques that are unique to India. Kalipattu draws heavily from Hinduism and is based on Hindu medical concept found in Ayurveda. There exist thousands of traditions and culture in India, and quite a few of them would leave outsiders rather curious. But the crux of Indian society and culture has always been to be well-mannered, polite, respect others, and progress together.